Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, we are explaining how to use Edpuzzle to create engaging interactive video lessons that truly enhance learning. Edpuzzle allows you to transform any video into active learning experience by embedding questions, notes, and voice feedback directly into the content. Whether you are a teacher, trainer, or online educator, this step-by-step guide will show you how to customize videos, track student progress, and boost participation effortlessly. Let's get started and see how Edpuzzle can take your video lesson to the next level. So right now we are at the website. I have also shared the link of this website into the description of this video. You can just simply come to this website through that link. So when you open that link, you will read to this website. This is the basically the overall layout of this website. So first of all, I will show you how you can sign up. So you just need to click on the sign up button to create an account. So let's suppose if you are a teacher and want to create interactive video lesson for your students, so you can join as a teacher. Okay, so I will just select teacher, and then you can continue with Google account in order to create your account. So I will select Google, select my Google account because it's super easy to create account for this process. So that's why I'm just selecting my Google account here, and right after that I will select continue, and that's how our account will successfully be created. So we also have to write our password here, but it's optional because as you know that we have used our Google account. So I will skip this option and then I will click on create new account. And as you can see that our account has been successfully created, and here you can enter the name of your school or organization. Let's suppose we write here as foreign model. You can add any of them. I'm just ending randomly, so I'm just like continue, and here you can add any kind of subjects as well. So start teaching. You can add multiple subjects as well. Okay, so here you can see that we are now at the dashboard. So here I will just click on the let's go button to start and engage with students. So let's go, and here you will see the save time ready to go video. There are already ready-made templates as well. So I'm just selecting next, next, and next, or you can also skip this by just closing this down. And here you can see that there are a lot of general education based videos that you can share with your students. Okay, let's suppose we continue with this one. So here you can see that the video is already there, and you can assign this video to any of your student, and or you can also edit and create your own version of this video, and you can also share the preview with other teachers, and you can also add it to the playlist, so that your student can just click the video and they can just share out the preview. And there are other versions that people have also made there. As you can see, this lots of videos are there. So I'm just going back down. So if you want to create a new, you can just click on this add new, and if you want to start with the videos, you can just click on this video, and there are three options for the video. You can do upload a video, you can get ready to go videos, browse Edpuzzle original and teacher created videos, and the other one is use our Chrome extension to record your on screen webcam. So let's we go with the get ready to go videos, which are already made templates here. So if you want to upload your own video, you can upload the file, or you can also add the YouTube video link. So let's suppose we add a YouTube video link. You can add any of the videos. So I will just show you an example how this works. So let's suppose we want to add this video. I will copy the link address and paste it here, and let's see. So as you can see that it has fetched the video, and you can just make changes to it. Like if you want a specific portion of the video, you can do it, and you can also add voiceover. You can also add questions like multiple choice question, open-ended question, and you can also add notes, and you can also click on this generate question, and it will automatically generate questions for your students. So that's how the student will watch the video, and then they can answer the questions. So that's all about Edpuzzle. I hope you like the video. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.